strike is still ongoing, with some counties like Kakamega calling off the strike after successful negotiations with the county government. In Mombasa County, for instance, healthcare workers have insisted on job promotions before they can end their 3-month-long strike, even after the county administration remitting the statutory deductions that were in arrears. Fatma Ngwena reports.
Taita Taveta County government has fired over 400 nurses and clinical officers for participating in what the employer says are unlawful strikes. According to the county's secretary, Liverson Mgendi, the nurses and clinical officers boycotted court orders directing them to resume work. The affected nurses now have until 5th February 2021 to clear with the employer.
Cognizance of Article 43 of the Constitution on economic and social rights, in the spirit of safeguarding the interests of its people while implementing the delegated sovereign power of the people in accordance with the Constitution and all the related acts, the county government of Taita Taveta, who is the employer to the healthcare workers, was left with no option but to show them the door and pave way to other deserving Kenyans who are willing to offer their services to the county.
In Mombasa County, striking healthcare workers have urged the county government and County Public Service Board to fast-track the implementation of job promotions and payments of withheld January salaries for them to end the strike and return to work.
Mambo ya promotions, unajua kwamba pia wamekuwa wakifanya kazi lakini hawajaweza kuwajibika kiwango ambacho sisi tulikuwa tunahitaji. Ni kwamba hitaji letu kwa mambo ya promotion ni kwamba waweze kufanya zile appeals ambazo zinahitajika, ambao ni kwamba wale ambao wanafanya special areas. For instance, kuna wengine ambao wamekuwa wanafanya ICU, they are trained ICU nurses, wengine wako trained kama watu theater nurses, lakini hawajaweza kulipwa kulingana na ile kazi ambao wamefanya.
The health workers have, however, lauded Mombasa County administration for remitting their 2-month statutory deductions, including NHIF and loans, for the months of November and December last year.
Na angawaje kuna wale wenzetu ambao wameenda kwa zile kutafuta statement kwa bank zao, wana changamoto kidogo pale, hawajaweza kuona kwamba serikali imeweza kulipa, lakini kijumla ni kwamba tumeona kwamba wameweza kulipa.
And in Kakamega County, the Kenya National Union of Nurses Kakamega branch has called off their 12-week strike after a successful meeting with the county government chaired by the branch chair Eliud Molenje, together with the CSC Health Services Dr. Collins Kizito Matemba, who directed all the nurses to report to work immediately. However, Kenya National Union of Nurses Kakamega branch secretary Renson Bulunya has dismissed the directive, saying the strike is still on until the national office issues a directive.
Nancy Liyekuwa amepewa 150,000, Luke Wawira amepewa 100,000 shillings, just being bought very cheaply to sell off the nurses of Kakamega County so that they pretend that wametoka kwa mgomo. So Eliud Molenje, from today, you are not an official of this union. We don't even want your money. We will even expel you from the union. The strike in Kakamega County is still on. Any nurse who goes back to work without a return to work agreement. Oparanya ulisikia Oparanya akisema kazi sio mama yako. Hatutaondoka vile unataka na unarudi vile unataka. Kuondoka kazi, there was a formula. Strike notice. Kurudi kazi, there must be a formula.
Fatma Ngwena, TV 47.